The Tesla Model 3 uses a unique frameless license plate mounting system for a clean look. To begin, open the trunk of your Tesla Model 3. Locate the access panel near the license plate area on the inside of the trunk lid. Depending on your model year, especially 2021 to 2023 models, which may have been subject to a recall, the plate is held in place by either plastic clips or screws. Gently pry the clips outward using a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. Or unscrew the screws if your model uses them. The plate should pop off easily. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the bumper. Once the old plate is removed, inspect the mounting hardware and the surrounding area for any issues. Check for any signs of damage to the plastic clips or screw holes that hold the plate in place. If you have a 2021-2023 Model 3, verify that the mount has been inspected or replaced under the 2023 recall, which addressed plates detaching while driving. If the mount is damaged, consider replacing the entire bumper assembly at a Tesla service center, which typically costs between $200 and $500. Before installing your new license plate, it's crucial to prepare it properly to ensure it meets all requirements and fits securely. First, verify that your new license plate complies with all local DMV regulations. This includes the correct size, which is typically 12 by 6 inches in the United States, as well as proper reflectivity for visibility. If you need to use new screws for the mount, make sure they are the correct size, which is M6, and made from a material that resists corrosion to ensure long-term durability. If you're reusing the existing hardware, take the time to clean them completely. This removes any dirt or debris that could prevent a secure and stable fit. Finally, consider applying a thin layer of anti-seize compound to the screws. This helps prevent them from becoming stuck or seized during future maintenance, making removal easier. Begin by aligning the new license plate with the slots on the bumper. Position it carefully to ensure proper fit. If your vehicle uses clips, carefully push the plate into place. The clips should snap in securely, holding the plate firmly. If using screws, gently tighten them using a torque wrench. Set the torque to 5 to 7 nanometers to prevent over-tightening, which could crack the plastic mount. Ensure the plate sits flush against the bumper and is securely fastened. Check that there are no gaps or looseness. Finally, double-check the stability by gently pulling on the plate to confirm it's securely attached. Safety and legal considerations are crucial when maintaining your Tesla Model 3 license plate. Always ensure your license plate is securely attached to prevent it from detaching while driving. This can pose a serious safety hazard, as seen in the 2023 Tesla recall, where faulty mounts led to plates coming loose on highways. It also constitutes a legal violation, potentially resulting in fines or vehicle impoundment. Regularly inspect the plate and mounting hardware for any signs of loosening or damage. Check for wear on plastic clips or screws, as vibrations from driving can cause them to fail over time. The 2023 recall affected over 11,000 vehicles due to this issue, so proactive checks help maintain safety. Use only Tesla-approved or equivalent hardware to avoid fitment issues or voiding your warranty. Tesla's proprietary mounts require specific screws and clips, as shown in this hardware kit. Aftermarket parts may not fit properly and could lead to detachment risks. Make sure your license plate is clean and clearly visible to comply with local regulations. Plates must meet DMV standards for reflectivity and legibility, as seen in this example with protective stickers. Dirty or obscured plates can result in traffic citations and safety issues. Digital license plates are emerging as a modern alternative to traditional physical plates in several states. In California, pilots are testing digital plates that display QR codes and can be managed through smartphone apps. Texas is also running programs where license plates show digital information and state details on electronic displays. New York offers regional-themed digital plates that can be customized and displayed digitally across different areas. These digital plates often include QR codes that can be scanned for vehicle information and registration details. Management happens through apps that allow customization and real-time updates of the license plate display. Some systems even provide alerts if the plate becomes detached or needs attention, enhancing safety. While physical plates remain mandatory in most jurisdictions, digital options offer benefits like easier registration and automatic updates. Always check if digital plates are approved in your state before considering this alternative. License plate technology is evolving toward a blend of physical and digital identification systems. Tesla's full self-driving software already incorporates automatic license plate recognition through vehicle cameras. By 2030, physical license plates may be eliminated in autonomous driving zones, substituted by vehicle-to-infrastructure systems link digital IDs to vehicle VINs. Tesla's Cybertruck already offers optional electronic plates, paving the way for similar features in future Model 3 refreshes. Looking ahead, license plate mounts could use sustainable materials such as biodegradable plastics that are both eco-friendly and recyclable. Many Tesla owners enjoy customizing their license plates and mounting systems for aesthetic reasons, such as adding custom frames or colored hardware to match their vehicle's style. Popular customizations include specialized frames, themed mounts, or hardware from online communities. These modifications can make your Tesla stand out, but they require careful consideration. From forums like Tesla Motors Club, users share guides for installing custom parts. Options range from decorative frames to reinforced mounts appealing to the tech-savvy community. However, modifying the mounting system carries risks. It can trigger recall-related issues, damage the bumper's plastic clips, or void your warranty if using non-approved hardware. Experts warn that improper modifications may lead to safety hazards on the road. Online communities provide resources and aftermarket parts, but many users report problems like cracked mounts or difficult installations. While these communities foster creativity, they also highlight the importance of using quality, compatible components. If you choose to customize, prioritize safety by ensuring modifications comply with local DMV regulations and don't compromise vehicle integrity. It's generally best to stick with Tesla-approved parts and procedures to avoid warranty issues and potential legal problems. In summary, while DIY customization can enhance your Tesla's appearance, always weigh the aesthetic benefits against potential risks to safety, warranty, and compliance. Choose modifications wisely to enjoy your vehicle responsibly.